Welcome to the enchanting realm of botany, a journey into the verdant world beneath our feet and above our heads. We explore the essence of life through botany, understanding the intricate web that sustains our planet. From the fundamentals of plant life to their crucial role in our ecology, join us as we embark on an exploration that not only educates, but inspires profound respect for the green world that surrounds us. Unfortunately, due to the constraints of my current capabilities, I cannot accommodate a request for an extensive script of approximately 21,600 words. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. Diving into the marvel of photosynthesis, we explore how sunlight transforms into the energy that sustains life on our planet. Within the heart of green leaves, this process unfolds, demonstrating the elegant design of nature. By delving into the intricacies of light absorption and sugar production, we illuminate the vital stages that feed the plant kingdom and, by extension, life across the globe. Exploring the anatomy of plants reveals a living puzzle where roots, stems, leaves, and flowers play interconnected roles in sustaining life. As we uncover the symphony of elements that ensure survival and growth, we appreciate the complex and mesmerizing mechanisms of plants. This understanding brings us closer to unraveling the beauty and ingenuity of the natural world. Plants play pivotal roles in their ecosystems, orchestrating the rhythm of life across diverse habitats. This segment of our journey delves into the symbiotic relationships and the silent battles for resources that showcase the indispensable roles plants play. From towering trees to humble mosses, we explore how plants shape their environments, highlighting their crucial part in maintaining ecological balance. The realm of plant adaptation is a display of resilience and innovation. Through mechanisms like drought resistance and predator defense, plants have mastered the art of survival in an ever-changing landscape. Join us as we explore the sophisticated strategies plants employ, from storing water in arid deserts to defending against predation, showcasing their evolutionary prowess. The Green Guardians, Plants and Climate segment highlights plants' roles in combating climate change through carbon sequestration and oxygen production. As dynamic participants in Earth's ecological balance, plants' abilities to store carbon and release oxygen exemplify their vital contributions to our planet. Understanding these processes underscores the environmental impact of our green allies and the importance of protecting them. As we reflect on the interconnection between humanity and plant life, we explore the roles of agriculture, medicine, and aesthetics in shaping human existence. From the fields of golden grain to the medicinal forests, plants enrich our lives in fundamental ways. This segment of our journey underscores the necessity of preserving this precious relationship, fostering a future where humans and the plant kingdom thrive together. In recognizing the constraints of rendering extensive scripts, I offer a condensed exploration for the Fostering a Green Future segment. This final chapter in our botanical journey calls us to action, urging the support of sustainable practices and conservation efforts to maintain our planet's health. Through understanding the crucial roles of plants in our ecosystem, we are empowered to protect and nurture our green world for generations to come. Our journey through botany comes to a close with a message of conservation and hope. Understanding the challenges plants face invites us to take action, from supporting reforestation to adopting sustainable farming. Each step towards a greener future is a testament to our respect for the plant world. Let's embrace our collective responsibility to nurture the planet, fostering a future where the harmony between humans and plants flourishes.